Geralt is the son of the sorceress Visena and presumably the warrior Corin. Shortly after his birth, Geralt was taken by his mother to the School of the Wolf at the stronghold of Kaer Morhen. There, Geralt was trained and made to be a Witcher. He survived the many blistering mutations required to grant Witchers their abilities and passed the trial of the Grasses. Geralt's intensive training and mutagenic experimentations have granted him considerably greater strength, speed, endurance, resilience, healing, senses, complete immunity to disease and conventional poisons, and an extreme resistance to pain. Due to his brilliant success in training, Geralt was selected for additional mutations experiments. He is the only Witcher to have survived these experiments, his stark white hair being a side effect of those additional mutations. After finishing his Witcher training, Geralt embarked into the world on a horse named Roach, a name he would bestow upon every one of his later horses. Thus, he became a monster slayer for hire. At one point, Geralt met the unborn child of Princess Pavetta and her husband Danny. As a reward for his service, the child was born a girl and Geralt refused her. However, fate caused Geralt and the girl Cirilla to cross paths 3 times. Eventually, Geralt took the girl as his protege following the death of her grandmother, Queen Caliente. Now he loved her as his own daughter.